Yeah, welcome to episode 1 of Minecraft Let's Play. I haven't actually played Animal Crossing since like the summer or something, so I'm excited to see what's changed in my town. In this episode I'm going to give you just a bit of a town tour, introduction to all my villages and stuff, all the developments I've done, all that shabazz. I don't know where my Oxcord is, so I'm just going to put miscellaneous Animal Crossing soundtrack music over the top of this because I can't record my thing. So here we go. Holy frick, look, it's moving about. Oh hey. Okay, this is where the music. Okay, my name is Alex in the game because nothing to do with like my friend Alex. I got this as like a gift for like Christmas 2014 or something, and I was like, oh, I like the name Alex. Oh wait, wait. What's the date? I always change the time. I'm a cheater. Okay, let's just go for it. Let's go, Isabelle. She's so nice to me. Someone new has moved into town today. We'll get to meet a new person. I don't really care about the people too much, to be honest. I just do my own thing. They're like, come to my birthday party. I'm like, probably not. What mail have we got today?
You've got mail.
Birthday's coming up on the 30th of the... That was a while ago. I'm sorry, I can't make it. What's the date on here? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. August 28th. Alright, so it's still summer here, because I kept changing the dates so I could catch fish and stuff. Here's my character. I like this look. This is my look. I look a bit like a serial killer. I got a little baseball thing, I think. I'm not sure. And a hockey mask. And this is my house. Beautiful. Let's do a house tour. My house isn't too great. I don't work on it too much, but the front room, I think, looks cool. Yeah, this is my front room, boys. Okay, we have my little mixing desk. I wish my room looked like this for real. We have all these things. Okay, we can't hear the sounds, but it goes like... Okay, there we go. Workspace. A bit of a games area. And in here we have my studio. I made a little filming room. Green screen walls. Eventually I'll add some of you guys on my 3DS. I'll send me your friend codes and I'll invite some people over and we can do like episodes like that where we could go to the island and play some fun mini games together. We can just run around the town. Hopefully I don't end up having anyone over who's gonna just like pull all my flowers out of the ground. And I take great pride in my flower arrangements, so please don't run in them if I invite you over. Thanks. Okay, and this is another room. This is kind of like a spare things room that I like, but I just don't want to put in a main room. It looks pretty cool though. We're just doing a quick little tour here. I don't want to bore you guys. Well, I mean, like, you clicked on this video to... Oh, these are my best fish. Oh, these are the best fish. These are like all the sharks and like there's a Napoleon fish. So there's in the back, I think that's a whale shark. Middle one's a saw shark, hammerhead shark, just shark, Napoleon fish, and ocean sunfish. Aw, man. I make so much dough, I can afford to just keep these sharks in my basement and I'm still rolling in bells. And this is another kind of, I want to expand this eventually, but it's just kind of a space room with one square of walking space. So I've got these pretty pathways. There's a fishy and a dishy. I like to keep the same flowers on each kind of street. So we have a bunch of flowers here. I love the orange flowers. I love crossbreeding flowers. This is a little campsite. It's got a little river around it. Oh, I love the blue ones too. Yeah, here's another little pathway. We've got a little zen bench. You can come here and contemplate life and death. Over here, we have a fountain. I wish you could like throw coins in the fountain. Throw a bell in. Can you do that? I feel like you could in like City Folk or something. I can't remember. Here we have like the fossil themed area. I put some random fossils on the ground. And there's a thing that reminds me of fossils. Oh, I love when this used to be just a nice straight road, and then villagers just love to park their little butts right in the middle of my pathway, and that's really great. I love that. Oh god, someone new has moved in. We're gonna find a random house somewhere. Don't park in the middle of my orchard. Thanks. Okay, here's my orchard. I have every single fruit, I think. Oh, we have a little diggy hole. Let's see what we have. Dig. Bamboo shoot. Wonderful. That's the only downside of having bamboo plants. Got some pretty lamps. There's Hazel. I'm sorry I missed your birthday. I'm not sorry. I didn't want to go. Oh, someone moved out here. Wait. I have more people so I can keep more designs. I don't have the right design. Okay, great. Hey dude, what's your name? Bear? Klaus Bear. You come by and say hi once in a while, I'll be super happy. That's sweet. I probably won't do that. I love this thing. I only recently unlocked this. Yeah, we got a well. We got all my blue tulips. No, black tulips. My bad. I put this thing here. I thought it was like that thing in City Folk where you could go under the bridge when you went into the city and you went to like Rosetti's house. But this is just, I think it was called Reset Center, but it's just here and I don't know how to go into it. I want to go in. Can someone tell me if that is possible? Thanks. Who has moved in? No one's moved in. There's no new houses. Oh, there's a fireworks show. Guys, we're gonna have a fireworks show. I think I might wait around for that. When does the fireworks show start? Probably late at night. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the time. Oh no, I love this dude. I love this guy. Hi. I have souvenir. He wants a souvenir. Okay, what should I give him as a souvenir? I've been away in space. I've been in space. Don't worry, bro. I'm gonna give you a souvenir. You enjoying this so far? Ooh, firework. Hell yeah. Is this writing paper? I'll take it. Sold for 160 bells. So shiny. I'm gonna write a letter. To Curly. Oh gosh, okay. Now I have to type it out. Hello, my friend. I have a gift for you. I love you. I'm pretty happy with that one. I'd like to send a mail, please, Pelly. Excellent. And now we're gonna do a bit of a fast forward to the fireworks show. Okay, let's move it to 9 PM. They're not gonna make it too late because little kids are gonna be playing this. And then any later than 9, that's way past your bedtime. I could have just, okay, never mind. I love doing A-level maths. Okay, it should be in the town center. Oh man, it went a bit green. Oh, that's beautiful. Pew! I'll add firework sound effects in post. Come on, give me a firework over here. Hello, sir. Hey, cousin. Oh, hell yeah. Sold.
If you win, I'll give you a prize. But of course, you got to come back before the festival's over.
Fingers crossed we get a prize, guys. I want this prize more than anything right now. Oh, come on. I thought it would be like one of those things where everything was a prize. You're gonna make some kids cry out here. I want another cookie. Another cookie. I want a prize. Red's a bit of a crook, so I won't be surprised if all of these are gonna be duds. He sells fake art. I got a whiz prize! That was so, like, hard to believe that I'm excited, but I am actually excited about this whiz prize. I'm just tired and I'm trying to be quiet because there's people in my house. Whiz ticket, whiz ticket, give me a whiz ticket. 10 billion barrel. What the heck? I'm gonna see what this 10 billion barrel is. Oh my god. It's only fitting that it's gonna be a barrel. On my new gaming series. I want a barrel. Display. Oh, what the hell is that? Actually, what is that? Okay. Alright, time to set off our firework that we bought earlier. I'm so excited. Okay, we need like an open piece of land. I don't really have much of that. Everything's covered in flowers. Can we put it on the beach? Let's try on the beach, see if it works. Put on ground. Oh, hey, burn me alive. Okay, sweet. We've had a good time tonight. Might this be a good place to end it? I don't know how long this video is going to be. From my side of things, it was boring, but I'm gonna try and make it more interesting when I edit it. So good night. I hope you enjoyed this fireworks show, and I hope you enjoyed this first episode. I'm gonna see how it goes. I might continue if people enjoy it, and I might not if people don't. Aw, look, this is Hazel. She's come to watch the fireworks with me. That is cute. Okay, so yeah, at some point I'll tweet out to send me friend codes if you want to come and join the party in one of these episodes. So watch out for that. Thanks for watching. I'm still trying to find like a outro thing that I do. I need to find my thing. Thanks for don't forget to leave a big thumbs up.